I'm back on the file that we started when we created a blank workbook and added a little bit of data for the North and South territories. So now I'm going to add the data in for the East and the West territories. All I'm going to do is click on the cell that I want here, B4 in this case, and enter some more data. And again, I'm pressing tab as I'm going through these, and I'm pressing the enter key to get back to where I started, in this case column B. So we've got some data in here. Now eventually we want to save this file. So to do this, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. And we probably want to give this a better name than just Book 2. We also want to have a location for this. So I'm going to click Browse. And I've got the Documents folder here. Here's Excel 2016 and Domain 1. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the Finish folder here. And I'm going to give this a name. I'll call this one, with a number in front, First File. First new file of the day, why not? I'll go ahead and click Save. Now, if you're ever wondering, did I save a file? When you save a file for the first time, the file name will appear in the title bar up top, as we see here.